A powerful chapter revealing Allah's protection of His sacred house. Before Islam, a man named Abraha, a Christian ruler of Yemen, built a grand cathedral to divert pilgrims from the Kaaba. But when people still honored the Kaaba, his pride was bounded. He merged with a massive army, leading war elephants to destroy Allah's house. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Have you not seen how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? Allah reminds Quraysh, remember what happened when an army came to destroy this house? Allah begins with a question, reminding them of a living history they already knew. It was not a legend, it was their ancestors who witnessed this. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. Did he not make their plan go astray? Their grand scheme to destroy the Kaaba was destined to fail. Even the most powerful armies collapsed when they challenged Allah's will. No arrogance can overcome divine protection. وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ طَيْرًا أَبَابِيلَ. And he sent against them flocks of birds. Tiny creatures, unexpected, became Allah's soldiers. Allah doesn't need armies. Even birds carrying stones can destroy what men think is invincible. ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل, striking them with stones of baked clay. Every stone carried divine precisions, unseen power within. Imagine the scene, mighty elephants struck by pebbles, collapsing in terror. This was not nature, this was divine intervention. فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَّأْكُولٍ. And he made them like eaten straw. Their bodies decayed like a chewed up plants, weak, lifeless, worthless. The army that once shook desert with its might reduced to nothing. This is the fate of arrogance against Allah. Allah alone protects His house, not Quraysh, not armies, not leaders, only Allah. Quraysh survived because Allah willed it, not because of their strength. This was a reminder to them and to us. No matter how strong oppressor look today, their downfall can come in an instant by Allah's command. Just as Abraha's army was crushed, so too will every arrogance, every injustice, every challenge to Allah's truth. Surah Al-Fil is not just history, it is a warning, it's a comfort, it's a sign that Allah's power is unmatched. Next time you stand by the Kaaba, remember Allah Himself protected it and He protects His deen until the end of time. Surah Al-Fil, a timeless reminder, Allah defends His truth always.